Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG3600 series printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door. Open the ink cartridge chamber door and you will see the ink cartridge chamber is here and it will move and come to this side. To replace the ink cartridges, simply press the lock down. So there is a lever here, you have to press them down. Take the ink cartridges out. Now install the new ink cartridge. So color will go to the color side. Place it here, push it in and push the lock up. Place the black ink cartridge, push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and the front door, and now you can use your printer. Thanks for watching.